What's that you say when you don't pay? No money, no tram. No money, no tram. No money, no tram. No, no money, no money, no tram.
Do you remember back on Judy 24 when those girls got on at Lodge Road? They say their phones are dead and they got no coins to hold.
We gotta kick them off and lighten the load. When the tramps get on for a bit, when the druggies get stuck for a fix, when the guys pretend to not hear, when the rude boys try to run to the rear, when the drunks pretend they've lost their pass, kick them in the face or kick them in the ass. I'm saying no money, no tram. No, no money, no money, no tram. No money, no tram. No, no money, no money, no tram. No tram, no tram, no tram, no tram. Mate, can you let me off with 50p? Mate, I've only paid until zone 3. Boss man, I've only got £1. If you let me ride one stop, that will be sound. Dave, kick 'em off. Mom, kick 'em off. Jim, kick 'em off.